And today I want to show you this 36 count acrylic paint set. That's right, you're going to get 36 different colors of nice, smooth, well blending acrylic paint. Let's just go ahead. We're going to take a look at it. I'm going to show you some of the colors. I have them on a turntable here spinning so you can kind of get a glimpse of all of them. And I'm going to show you what else comes with this kit. So let's get into it. All right, you can see all the paints here slowly spinning around. Multiple greens, multiple blues, yellows, purples, pinks, oranges, white, black, all the different colors that you could ever possibly need. This would really be good for a beginner too if you don't have any paints and you want to get a well-rounded starter set. This would be great for that. If you have a classroom or students, or if you're teaching art, this would be another great set to buy because you're getting a lot of colors and you're also getting a very nice paint. Now you can look on the front of the bottle right here. It says waterproof acrylic colors. They do have the flip tops and you can squirt the paint out. So it's going to give you easy access, easy to dispense. These acrylic paints are going to be great for multiple surfaces such as canvas art, just regular painting, scrap booking, nail art. They can go on stretch canvas, wood, glass. You can decorate cards, plastic, foam, ceramic, wallpaper, terracotta, blackboard, paper, tin, you name it. The paint's going to stick with these paints, and it's going to give you a very nice coverage on the first stroke. Now, on top of all these super vibrant acrylic paints, you're also going to get a set of brushes as well. So you're going to get 6 brushes, and from fine tips all the way to a wide pointed brush. And you're also going to get this palette right here as well. That way you can mix your colors in the middle and have your different colors while you're painting on your project. Very, very cool. I will crack a couple of these open just so you can kind of see the colors on the insides. You can see that they're very vibrant, they're very bright, extremely well-made colors. Let's check out a blue. How nice is that? These are certified safe, and I don't know exactly what this is, but it might be a question that you have, and it says that it conforms to ASTM D-4236 and EN 71 standards and AP certification. So it's safe for adults, teens, and kids. Of course, the paints are non-toxic, and they're also safe for indoor-outdoor use. So if you're on the market for, like I said, a great beginner set, and you need a wide range of colors to get rolling, or if you just need to replenish your certain supplies or get more supplies for your students, then this could be the set for you. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.